Hi guys, the last two videos we used the following formulas. The integral of k is equal to kx plus c, integral of x to the n equals x to the n plus 1 over n plus 1 plus c, the integral of ax plus b to the n power is equal to this. Alright, now there are some helpful formula here in the laws of exponents that you actually need to master. So I just want to give you more examples on how to use these formulas with some complicated questions. Not really complicated, but just some weird exponents. So for example, you have the integral of 1 over x to the fifth dx. So as you can see, you might be wondering, hey, this question is not actually in this formula, in these three formulas that we had initially. But actually, if you will rewrite this into this format, then you can actually use this formula. Using the laws of your exponent, it says 1 over x to the n is equal to x to the negative nth power. So therefore 1 over x to the fifth will be x to the negative 5 with respect to x, then integral. So in this case now, in this new format, now you can use this second formula that we had. So using the second formula, it says you copy your x, then you just simply add 1 to the power, so that's negative 5 plus 1 is negative 4, and then just simply divide it by negative 4, and then you affix plus c. So that is the final answer. Now, let's try to have another example. Suppose that you have there 2 over x to the seventh with respect to your x. So what I want you to do is to pause the video for a while and answer this by yourself. Okay, so again, write this one as 2x to the negative 7 using the first formula here, and then just copy the integral with respect to x. Then now you can apply the second formula. Our strategy is to ignore the 2 for a while we are applying the second formula. So you have your x to the negative 7 plus 1 is negative 6 all over negative 6. Then you have there, you copy the times 2 there, and then you have plus c. That 2 over negative 6 is negative 3 there. So you have the final answer as x to the negative 6 over negative 3 plus c. So that's the final answer. If your answer is actually in this form, it's also correct. So for example, your answer is like this. That is correct. Now, I want to give you another example. Let me just fold this for a while so I have extra more space. So for example, you have this question here, this format. Suppose I have the integral of 1 over the square root of 2x minus 1 with respect to x. So as you can see, this problem seems to be like complicated, but actually it isn't. If you see a radical at the bottom of the question or at the fraction, all you just need to do is to use this formula. Rewrite it in this form, so you would be able to use the formula number 3. So, and again, as what I've told you in your examination, you will only use these 3 formulas that I have given. So this is now raised to negative 1 over 2 with respect to your x like that. So now you can apply this formula, where you need to copy 2x minus 1. Negative half plus 1 is 1/2. I'll just write the answer right away. Then you copy that 1/2 at the bottom, and then copy whatever the number beside your x, which is 2. then just affix the number plus c. Therefore, now you have the final answer 2x minus 1 raised to 1 half all over 2 times 1 half is only 1, then plus c, right? Now, if your answer is like this, 2x minus 1 is square root of 2x minus 1 plus c, this is also correct. Okay? Now, let's try to have one more example. Again, in every example that I am giving you, you try to do it by yourself for a while. You pause the video. Don't continue watching the video without trying the question by yourself. Now you have the square root of 3x plus 1. Again, this is not in this form. This is not in the format as shown in the formula that we had. So what you're going to do is to rewrite that one in such a way that it will follow these three formulas here. It's obviously that we need to write in this form. So you have there 3x plus 1, and the square root of something is x raised to the 1 half. So this can be 3x plus 1 raised to 1 half, or 0.5. Then you have there with respect to x, and just copy the integral. Now you can integrate. When you integrate, you have there now 3x plus 1 raised to 1 half plus 1 is 3 over 2. Then just copy the 3 over 2 there. And then just copy whatever the number beside your x, which is 3. Then you have your plus c. Then you have your 9 over 4. Right? So you have your now 3x plus 1 raised to 3 over 2 over 9 over 4. However, again, you can still write this as 4 over 9 times 3x plus 1 raised to 3 over 2. Then you just simply add plus c at the end. Alright, now what I want you to do is to do the next exercises that I gave you. And again, similar to the first two, I want you to email me your answers. Right? What you can do is just actually combine all your answers, the three exercises that I gave you, and then save it as one PDF document and send it to me. Thank you very much.